Okay. Once again, very good morning and thanks for joining. Okay, actually, so this course is completely on the SQL, on the English only, maximum to maximum. The people who started their journey first time and it's difficult to understand the terminologies, and that too we will go a little bit depth in the starting phase itself. Okay, so that will face so difficulty for the people who are starting their journey. Okay, for them, no worries, we will grant the permission to the Telugu batch, okay, so that you can go and watch. But try to encourage more on English because learning phase I can accept, understanding also okay, but try to see more concentrate on English because once you got the opportunity, you need to speak with the different clients who are in different locations like UK, US, okay, Singapore, Malaysia, and Bangkok or Thailand or some other countries, okay, Australia, Netherlands, New Zealand, okay, Switzerland. So you may work with different clients, and their answers is a little bit different. You need to understood those languages because it's on finally what is your agenda. You need to you need to understood what the clients are saying, and you need to respond. That is very important actually. So basically, once you got the opportunity, not only just working on the tickets, you will definitely get to go into the meeting. You daily you are having meetings with the clients, with the internal teams. Definitely you need to speak it out, right? That can be either technical, that can be non-technical. uh, for example, they're having some issue and they created one meeting. You need to jump into the meeting. Okay, you need to jump into the meeting, and whatever they are saying you need to understood. If you're not understanding, then it may face difficulty to go into the server to look what you need to look, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So uh, try to make this, that's what I told you, right? Try to make this meeting as a so interactive. Treat this as a KT, not training. You got a project.
So
You
here
got,
everything would be
yeah,
practical, right?
you got a project, and they are giving a KT, and you got a different technology, and they are giving the KT to you. Make so once you open the bridge, once we open the bridge, purchase one book and one pen and write the notes. That is not a bad thing to write the notes, okay? Even when you go to the office also, you can carry. Don't carry long notes, okay? Short notes, okay? That is not a bad thing. The people who are starting their journey, okay, even whenever you have the visit of the clients to the India. So clients will come every 1 year or every 6 months. They used to come to India to give additional information to you. That time, even whatever the questions you are asking to the clients, okay, they need to do some workouts, right? That time they will make a notes. And Indians only think, "Oh, why you are carrying the book and pen? Nothing will happen. That's our personal." Okay, uh, just make a uh, clear cuts on this part. That is very important. So finally, what I mean to say means, okay, make a clear notes once we start the actual classes. Maybe most probably Monday we'll start the main concepts. Main concepts. So I will go a little bit slow only first 10 days. Okay, and we'll discuss all the concepts in depth because that is a major part where we need to discuss like architecture, storage, how the data is flowing internally. Okay, so what are the components are very important, and how to install the SQL Server. Once we install the SQL Server, what we will do as a DBA, what developers will do. Okay, later on we'll go into the concept wise. Once we start the concept, most probably whole next week we'll go for uh, base concepts. So on next week only we'll start the actual uh, DBA content. Then that time you will feel so interest because we will go with the content wise. So we'll discuss one concept, we'll go for practical. We'll discuss one concept, we'll go for practical. And maximum I will try to avoid the slides, and I will try to encourage the notes. Let's discuss completely theoretical part first, and once you understood, then we'll go for the practical part. Clear, everyone? Okay, that's what. No worries. In case the first time the people who are not understanding the terminologies, it's a little bit hard. Okay, so for them, no worries. We will try to grant the uh, Telugu batch access. Questions, Mohan, you are having?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now, so as part of today's session, so as even Sunil is also asked, okay, we don't know anything about the SQL. What is this course basically? Yesterday we discussed something, blah blah blah. See, basically, when you are planning something, either not only SQL, either you are planning something. Okay, so you will go into the market, and either you will see all the social medias like Twitter, Facebook, okay, LinkedIn, Instagram, okay, Telegram, and you will see the YouTube channels, right? You will search somewhere. Yes or no? You will search somewhere to get some sort of information. Basically, some sort of information you will go and search in multiple social medias. Okay. Now you came to know. Okay. First, you need to decide what technology you are choosing. That is very important. Either it can be development, or it can be testing, or it can be DBS. So three phases are available in the market, right? Either developers, testers, and DBS. And there are a lot. Okay, there are mission level language. Okay, my mission level language, artificial intelligence. Okay, robotic process. Okay, there are a lot. So as it fit for us, let's discuss about these three phases: developers, testers, and DBS. So when you when you go to the development, Java, C, C++, .NET, right? Python, R language. Okay, all these technologies will fall under even SQL. SQL. SQL is a language basically. SQL is a language which will falls under development. Which will falls under development. So whatever the development they are doing, testers will test the code. Testers will test the code. So see, simply we cannot go into the production, right? Once your development is done, they need to test the code. Without testing the code, if it go to the production box, then gone. So everything whatever you develop, everything you develop, that need to go to the testing phase, right? So what exactly they are developing? So for example, you want one website. Okay, you want one website. So for example, you decide you want one website of Amazon. Most of the people is familiar with Amazon, right? So you wanted to develop one website. Okay, and you decide what kind of website it is, and you want your logo, your address, your signature, your sign in. Okay, and you want all the products. Okay, TV, sales, mobiles, everything. So this is how your thought process is. As of today, as of today, this is your thought process. So what you will do, you will go to the so and so organization, and you will give the work to them, and they are already having the infrastructure. Okay, they are already having the infrastructure. What they will do, they will just try to, okay, tell to their team members, okay, this is the new project we are getting. Let's start designing the website. So, for example, you are almost five people are working on that project. So they will give all the five different works. So one people will work on the main screen, one people will work on the all, one people will work on the mobile. So whenever you click on mobile, you will get different screen, different pop-ups. Whenever you open today deals, you will get different products, different screens. Okay, so everyone will work on the one by one. Okay, once they develop whatever the code they develop, they will move into the testing, automation testing, selenium testing. Okay, they will go to the testing once they design the code. Either it can be Java, .NET, C, C++, okay, or HTML or CSS. So whatever the code they design, it will definitely go to the testing phase. So once the testers test the code, once the test the code, then only it will go to the production. Environments, you need to remember, everyone, the people who are starting. Production is nothing but live server. Whatever you are seeing here, whatever you are seeing, this is nothing but your production server. This is nothing but your production server. Whatever if you are seeing something, means that is a production server. Okay. Till now, what you've done, you just connect to the Amazon. You will connect to the sign in, and you will provide your username, password, first name, last name, mobile number, Gmail. Somewhere it need to store, right? Simply it can't store in the website. Somewhere your details need to be stored, right? Yes or no? Somewhere your information need to store. Or for example, you book this mobile, or you book this laptop, you purchase this laptop, or you purchase this mobile, and you want you wanted to track the order. So basically what we are doing, when you go to the bank also same. When you go to the bank, what you are doing, you will do three transactions. One is, first you will try to create your account. Next, you will try to update your account. Means if you wanted to update your mobile number, Aadhaar number, or email address, you will go and update. And if you wanted to delete, you will delete your account. Throughout the global, will perform three things, right? Majorly, create, insert, update, delete, right? Throughout the global will perform three: insert, update, delete. So here also same. You are just creating the order. You are placing the order, where you are inserting, and you are updating the order, and you are deleting the order. You are tracking the order. Tracking is nothing but reading. So we will perform, I like bank statement, credit card statement. You are getting the statements, right? Nothing but reading the data. Means somewhere your data need to store. Somewhere your data need to store. Those data, they can maintain Oracle, SQL Server, okay, SQL Server, PostgreSQL, Sybase, DB2, okay, Teradata, MongoDB, okay, a lot. So somewhere your data need to store. This is your front end, okay. This is your testing. This is your backend. This is your backend. So whenever you are trying to connect, by mistakenly you forget your password, by mistakenly you forget your username, it will pop up a error message called invalid username, invalid Gmail address, invalid password, right? Where you are getting that response. So that is getting response from the database servers. That is getting response from the database servers. So we are not sure whether this Amazon is storing that information in the Oracle or SQL Server, PostgreSQL, Sybase, DB2, Teradata, MongoDB, MySQL. These are the most popular databases. Whatever by written, like Cassandra, Cosmos DB, Amazon Aurora. These are all the most popular database management systems you will get to know in India mostly. In different countries also, these are the most popular database management system. HANA, SAP HANA is also database. SAP HANA. So what database management system you are using? We are we are learning SQL Server. So if this Amazon, okay, storing their data in SQL servers, that SQL servers you are going to maintain. If you are learning Oracle, you will support Oracle related databases. If you are learning PostgreSQL, you will support Postgres related databases. If you are supporting Sybase, you will support Sybase related databases. This is our task. So always we need to maintain the databases. Always. Otherwise, what will happen? Entire your Amazon will down. If this service, okay, it depends on either Oracle or SQL or PostgreSQL or Sybase or something. Okay, something happened and your SQL is down, or something happened and your Oracle is down, or something happened your PostgreSQL is down. Entire your Amazon will down. These are the web servers, web application web servers, and these are the DB servers. So we are maintaining the DB servers, web servers, app servers, web speed servers, like a DB servers. Technically, we'll call it as a DB servers. As a DBA, we will call it as a DB servers. I hope you are getting. No, yes. Sunil, you got it?
Yes.
And difference between web servers and DB servers, what is it?
No, see, web servers, web related information they will maintain. DB server, DB related information you will maintain. See, this is my laptop. I can maintain my data, and I can place one name. For
Okay.
example, that is your laptop. You can maintain your data, and you will keep one name. What kind of information you are storing? I am storing database related, so I am calling as a DB server. I am see there are multiple servers. They will build multiple servers. Servers means technically one desktop. For example, you can call it as a see. Let me open one more screen. Data centers. Okay, images. Data centers. Okay, physically, physically, this is how your data centers looks like. This is
Okay.
how, and this technically we should call it as a racks. Rack.
Right.
Each rack will maintain common network, common switches, common power supply. Each rack. What in this rack? How many servers are fitted? All the servers will maintain common switch, common network, common power supply. Storage, maximum, they won't maintain the storage here. They will maintain the storage in different, because storage is very important, right?
Okay. Yes.
Because on storage only, right, you are storing the data. Entire in my laptop, these two disks are so important. One is SSD, one is HDD. One is SSD, one is HDD. My
Okay.
laptop is a hybrid laptop. So
Okay.
SSDs nowadays we are using SSD because it is much faster. We'll discuss all this stuff when you go for cloud. What is SSD? What is HDD? Which one is
Okay.
the best? Okay. Uh,
Okay.
because if you are going for storage, especially cloud, you mustn't should know. That's what you are not doing all this stuff in real world, but you need to know about all this concept to become strong in SQL.
Okay.
Simply, what is SQL? What is SQL means? Just we can complete in 10 to 15 days. It won't take more that much more time, like 80 days. Just SQL means, but you want to know more about the concept. So this is how your data centers looks like, and this is how where they place the servers. This server may be related to the web server. All your web related information will be hosted on the server. This server is hosted on the application server, where all application related data will maintain in that server. These servers may be hosted for the DB. Maybe all your DB related information will be hosted on the that server. Application servers, web speed servers, batch servers. That is their headache, not your headache. What is your headache? DB server. Because we are database administrator, we are not worrying about all that stuff. That is their headache. What as a DBA, you need to make sure you need to make sure all your SQL services need to run. Because in my laptop I'm having 3 SQL servers. In my laptop I'm having three SQL servers. What is my agenda? At any cost, I need to make sure all 3 SQL servers need to run healthy. If any one of these service went down, whatever the application related to this service, then that service will down. That will down. YouTube will down. Netflix will down. Okay, maybe Google will also down. So you remember last year, I remember Google down for 5 seconds, 5 minutes. Entire
Yes.
Google is down for 5 minutes. Even YouTube is also down. Netflix also down. Whenever you open any website, you will get one pop-up call under maintenance.
Yes, son.
Backend, sir. Backend, your application is mapped to the database servers.
Okay.
Otherwise, where your data is storing? Take your mobile. Uh, just take your mobile number, your first name, your last name. What is your charges? What is the last charge? What what is your duration? How many SSMS are there? All that information somewhere need to store, right? So if you got the work, if you got the project related to Airtel, Jio, Idea, Vodafone, you used to work this kind of information. So when I got an opportunity to work in Idea, so whenever we open the database, what kind of information will be stored in that database? Your mobile numbers, right? So if you go to the banking, your account number, your first name, your last name, your address, everything, you will get the complete your account related information. When you go to the insurance related information, right? So
So cloud
somewhere
storage also managed like this only, right?
everything same, sir. But for example, what is on premises, what is cloud? That's what a simple doubt. Okay, let me give you a silly example, a simple example.
Okay.
For example, you are having 1 crore rupee. Okay, you are having 1 crore rupee with you. That is your amount. What you
Okay.
done? You keep that 1 crore rupee within your locker.
Yeah.
That is nothing but on premises. What you will do? You can aram say go and sleep. Correct?
Yeah.
Or what you done? You keep that 1 crore rupee with your friend without any document. Okay, can you
Okay.
sleep on that day?
No.
Definitely no. Nothing. Cloud is nothing but someone else data center we are placing.
Okay.
Someone else a data. So technically, you should call it as a data center, sir.
Yeah, it may we call as a bank locker, right?
Yes, data center. Someone else that can be like when you go to the cloud also, you are having different clouds like AWS, okay, Azure, okay, Google Cloud, GCP, okay,
Oracle cloud.
Alibaba Cloud, Oracle Cloud, SAP Cloud, okay, IBM Cloud. So we are having lot many cloud providers. Out of these two are the major cloud providers throughout the global.
Okay.
AWS, Azure. When like same when you go to the database management system, okay, now SQL Server is the leading entire database management system throughout the global,
Okay.
throughout the market. Earlier Oracle, earlier Oracle, now SQL. Last 3 years, SQL is leading because the
Mm-hmm.
license cost. So one will see, and everyone will tell that Oracle is more secure than SQL. Oracle is secure only at the infrastructure level, correct?
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
Mostly yes, because Oracle is completely fitting on the Linux platform. But SQL is then more secure because SQL is coming with different additional securities like TDE, data masking, always encryption, column level encryption, row level encryption. Even so, for example, this is your data. So, for example, this is your account number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is your account number, and your name is Bala, and you are having 1 crore rupee on your account. Okay, and I wanted to encrypt this account number, and I wanted to encrypt this column. You can encrypt. Even Oracle also will maintain, but something additional, more security Microsoft is bringing, like SSL protocols, TLS protocols, okay, and NDLM authentication, Kerberos authentication. There are lots, sir. When you especially go to the securities, we will discuss all in depth once we start the in the middle, not now. If we discuss the first time who are listening, they will tell, okay, I don't want to listen to SQL Server. Okay, we'll see later.
Yeah.
So I hope you are understanding. So what we are learning, we are a database administrators. Either you are Oracle or SQL or PostgreSQL or Teradata or Sybase or MongoDB or SAP HANA or MySQL. Okay, whatever, this many technologies are available, because mostly what we know about most of the things like Java, C++, right? These are the technologies we'll came to know whenever you search in the social media, or you will go into the nearest location where you are getting all the institutes. So you come to know Java. First is the Java place. Okay, most of the people know about Java, C++. Like same, you must and should know about the databases. Okay, not only databases, sir. There are a lot. Okay, virtualization tools like Power BI, Tableau, okay, SSRS, Cognos, Pentaho. These are the reporting tools. Reporting. So you know about the reports, right? Bank statement is report. Credit card statement is report. Your electricity bill is report. Your mobile number stacking is a report. Reports also very important, right? Finally, I need to share the report to the customers. Whenever you just pull the bank statement, what you will get your um, bank logo, your address, your account number, everything you will get it, right? So those are virtualization tools, sir. Power BI, Tableau, SSRS, Cognos, Pentaho, data stage. There are a lot. There are a lot. Again, so n number of technologies are available throughout the global. Okay, I hope you are getting n number of technologies are available. How we are growing is very important. How you are choosing the platform is very important. Okay, basically the people who are starting their journey. Okay, when you come, most of the people tell when you compare with Oracle, SQL is a little bit easy. Yes, sir. That is I can accept. Again, if you know the SQL, if you know the SQL, 30% you know about Oracle, 30% you know about PostgreSQL, Sybase, DB2, 30% you already know, but we are getting afraid. That's the only one problem. Because all are the database management systems only, sir. Underlying almost same only, but little bit here and there. See, whenever you open Amazon, whenever you open the Flipkart, almost same only, right? They are selling the products, e-commerce applications. Amazon, Flipkart, Mitra, these are the e-commerce applications. Who is selling the products? Like same, how they are selling the products. Okay, cloud is nothing but they are selling the services. Cloud, when you specially go to the cloud, okay, they are selling the services. Computer as a service, network as a service, storage as a service. They are selling as a service. How you are getting in when you are they are selling the mobiles, they are selling the groceries, they are selling the cloth, they are selling the footwears. How they are selling the products? When you specially go to the cloud, they are selling the service as a service, storage as a service, network as a service. See, for example, you want network. What you will do? You will find the nearest network provider, right? Airtel, Jio, Reliance, BSNL, and you will purchase the network for monthly. A monthly, I will give 600 to 700 rupees. You will get the 40 Mbps speed, 100 Mbps speed, right? Yes or no? Like same, we are purchasing the storage, we are purchasing the servers, we are purchasing the network, we are purchasing something, whatever they are offering. When you specially go to the cloud, when you specially go to the cloud, you are purchasing something, whatever they are offering. Maybe that will fit. Sorry, you won't purchase unnecessarily, right? So, for example, Amazon is selling all these products. Can you purchase all the products, or whatever you need, you will purchase? I'm asking question. Whatever you need, you will purchase, or you will purchase everything.
Whatever
Whatever
we need.
we need.
That's it, sir. Even when you go to the cloud also, okay, they are providing almost 200 plus services. Almost 200 plus services they are providing. Like how they are providing in Amazon. Okay, they are providing almost 200 plus services, each cloud provider. Whatever you need, you will purchase those services, and you will pay for that. Okay, that's it as of now. Just remember only this part. We'll see when we start the cloud, we'll see deeper and deeper. I hope everyone understood. So developers will look into the different categories. Testers will look into the different categories. DBS will look into different categories. Reporting people will do in their different categories. And machine level language, artificial intelligence. Okay, and there are lots. SAP, SAP BI tools, SAP HANA tools, SAP finance tools, or Oracle apps. There are a lot again. Too many. We don't know some names even. Uh, uh, when we placed one of our student in so and so company, they started training on the solid DBA. Solid DBA. First time I came to know, okay, there is a one database. 1 second, sir. Okay, so uh, solid DBA. Maybe, for example, you are learning a SQL. For example, sorry, you are learning SQL, and once you got the opportunity in any other project, we are not guarantee whether you are getting opportunity only on SQL Server, or you are getting any other opportunities. So, for example, one of our student got opportunity in solid DBA. One of our student got opportunity in Oracle. Okay, one of our student got opportunity in PostgreSQL, but they will try. Not like this, sir, in depth. Again, so prepare your mind. Okay, so that's what kind of project we are getting, that is very, very important, and what kind of role we are placing on the project. Being you are experienced people, okay, we can't say, I can say that, okay, we don't know anything, we need time. If you are giving time, okay, I can start supporting on the PostgreSQL, I can start supporting on the Oracle, I can start supporting on the some other database management systems. Okay, but almost all are same only, but here and there, the terminologies and the configuration part will be changes. But underlying concept is same. You are maintaining data. You are maintaining data. Like mainframes, people will maintain DB2. Mostly they will maintain DB2. Like ATM machines are. All your ATM machines are working with mainframes and AS400. and they will maintain DB2 database. But mainframes is nothing but a black screen, basically, complete black screen. But when you go to the ATM machine, you will get the color screen, because humans won't love the black screen, right? What they done, right? They integrated with Java. They integrated with the Java or something, and they make it as a color screen. That's the reason when you go to the ATM machine, you will see the color screens. You will see the color screens. So these many technologies are available in the overall in the market, and we are learning out of this. We are learning SQL Server, which is being part of Microsoft, which is being part of Microsoft. So then you will think, okay, Subbu, what is our career? That's what very important, right? So being our experience is growing, what is our career? Sir, let's give you one example. Whenever you born, you just started learning the walking. Later on, you will just started learning the cycle, a small cycles. Later on, you will purchase a little bit bigger cycle and you will start. Later on, you will purchase the bike and you will start. Later on, you will purchase the car and you will start. Right? Yes or no? But we are not growing in technical. That is the only biggest challenge we are facing now. This is the entry level. Okay, I am going into the IT. Once I enter into the IT, sir, Microsoft means it's a brand where it contains lots of products. Lots of products, not only SQL Server, sir. It's contain lots of products. So how many products Microsoft? Almost 734 products Microsoft is supporting, like .NET, Azure, custom care frame rates, Dynamics, okay, Expressions, Internet Explorer, Microsoft 365, Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Servers, Microsoft System Centers, Office, Serverlights, okay, SQL Server, Visual Studio, Windows. Again, when you go to the SQL, again, these many services Microsoft is offering in SQL. SQL means not only SQL Server, there are a lot. So almost 700 and plus services Microsoft is offering. You can enhance a lot, but we are not enhancing. That is the biggest challenge. That is the biggest challenge, sir. How we are enhancing the in our life, we are not enhancing in the career. I hope you are getting. There are lots of technologies which is related to the SQL. For example, you just started as a SQL Server DBA. For example, once you stable, it will definitely took 1 or 2 years or 3 years to stable everything on the DBA part. Then you can start learning SQL developer. SQL developer. Once you okay, then you can go for Azure data engineering. Once you know the development, okay, take time, sir. Take 1 year or 2 years, because you already in the safe zone, because you already been working, you are earning, your family is so safe. Now you just start learning development. You don't know, basically you don't know, you don't love the development, but just start learning. This is the game changer now. When you are safe side and you just started learning something, okay, started learning something, and you took almost 6 months or 1 year. It's not like a complexity like Java, C++, sir. Very easy. SQL development is very easy. Not like a C++ is the most toughest language in the entire global than Java. Java is easy, sir, because only one concept is complex, is pointers. There is no pointers in Java. Pointers. But most of the chips are designing with the C++ only. Your remote will have the chip. Every chip, most of the chips, they will prepare with the C++. Games design will C++, because most toughest language. Because why? Because pointers. This is the game changer of C, C++. The pointers are not available in Java. That's make easy. When you compare with the Java, Python is very easy. So just start learning the development. Okay, not that much. At least you should know development, how it is working after 2 years, after 3 years. Then you can switch to Azure Data Engineer, where it contains ADF, Azure Data Factory, or Synonyms, or Microsoft Fabric. Now, Microsoft introduced a service called Microsoft Fabric, where he is integrating everything at one shot. This is the old tool. This is somewhat old tool, and this is the new service. Here, no need write the code, but you need to understand the logics. To understand the logic, you mustn't should know the development. If you know the DBA, if you know the development, okay, if you know the DBA, if you know the development, your resume weightage is like anything, because developer can become Azure data engineer, developer can become, okay, virtualization tools like Power BI, SSRS, Tableau, Cognos. You can easily work on these tools. Just you need to know about this tool, how it will work, the algorithms. You are designing completely in the SQL script only, and you whatever you design, you will place in this tool. It will provide the report. See, once you switch from DBA to development, entire your career will change like anything. But we are not. We are not. That is a biggest challenge, and everyone is asking, where is nothing will set. It's a Microsoft product. Will Apple brand will impact in the global Apple brand? No. Now Apple released 15 series, and someone is telling there is heating issue in the Apple 15. So no one is purchasing Apple mobile. Million people are purchasing. It's a brand value. Microsoft is also brand. There are lots are again, but we are not seeing that. That is the one biggest challenge. Once enter into the industry, don't sit only on your chair. Just run. You need to run. Once you start running, then definitely you will get to know. Are you getting or getting bored?
For SQL Server development, is only language we use T-SQL and PL/SQL, right?
Yes, sir. SQL and T-SQL.
Okay.
Okay, in SQL Server, you will call it as a SQL and T-SQL. In Oracle, you will call it as a SQL and PL/SQL.
Yeah. Mm.
Okay. So if you know the SQL development, almost here and there, the syntax will be changed, but internal algorithm is same, sir.
Okay.
Internal algorithm is same. Here and there, the syntax will change. That's it.
So SQL is enough for a development, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So we are having lot many tools, sir. In mission level language. Okay. When you go for mission level language, so oh my God, industry is looking for mission level language. Mission level language is not a technology. It's a combination of tools. It's a combination of different technologies. They will use Python. They will use R language. They will use Power BI. They will use SQL. They will use some other technologies. It's a combination, right?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Then we are having, sir. See, when you just start learning SQL Server, if you learn development, now you are stable. Now you are stable. See, once you become, so take a like a police also example. Once you become the constable, you will stay back in the constable, or you will start learning something to become CI, SI, DSP level, or you will just, okay, I'm constable, okay, let it be constable. No, right?
No.
Then here also same. There are a lot within the SQL. There are a lot within the Microsoft. There are a lot. Once you know the development, not fully development, at least you know. You can design now something. Now you will become the game changer. Industry will look your resume like anything, sir. They can offer like anything because if you know the development, you can work in Power BI. It's a Microsoft tool. SSRS, Microsoft tool. Tableau is a tool where reporting purpose. You can work in Azure Data Factory, all this stuff because you know the development.
Mm.
You know the logics, how the data flow need to be. Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Where you will stand for next 5 years. Make one goal, sir. Okay, definitely. There are a lot again. No need to look here and there, here and there. We are not growing. That is our problem, not industry problem, sir. And we are telling industries, no more, no more. Without SQL, okay, for example, if this Amazon is working with the entire SQL server, without DBA, will Amazon will work? Even you are having anything, any third-party tools, automation, blah blah blah, right? And you can also learn Python. I don't want Java, C, C++. Whenever you are having time, just learn Python. You can do a lot of wonders in Python. You can make automation of SQL Server. You can automate Azure data engineers using Python. Instead of spending in PowerShell, instead of spending some time in PowerShell, you can spend some time in Python. Because now I am having how you need to your thought process need to be changed basically. Now I'm working as a DBA. Now I'm stable. Now I'm working. Let's start exploring myself for next 2 years. After 1 year, place your resume. I'm not searching you. I'm not telling you need to switch. Just place your resume. Go into the market. Get the questions. What type of questions they're asking on Python? What type of questions they're asking on Azure Data Engineer? What type of questions they're asking in Power BI? Whether you are fitting or not. After second year, you are comfortable in the development, in the PowerShell, in the Python, in the Power BI. Then you can switch it, sir. With great package. Okay, so how you are starting your journey, that is very important. After marriage, no. Before marriage only you need to do all this stuff. Okay, again one more hint to everyone, the gents. Okay, before marriage, yes, I can agree all this too, we can do, sir. After marriage, no. It's highly impossible, right? You will get a lot of responsibilities. Okay, yeah, that's it about so what finally I mean to say, there are n number of products. There are n number of products Microsoft is offering to us, sir. Not only SQL Server. Okay, in Azure, they are offering too many services, almost 200 plus services Microsoft is offering only in Azure. Only in Azure, 200 plus services Microsoft is offering. So when you go to the SQL Server, Microsoft offering a number of services. See, so for example, this is SQL Server 2019, 2022 is the latest versions. Versions. Okay, so like same when you go to the Windows, okay, Windows 10, Windows 11, okay, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 7, Windows OS. There are a lot of Windows related services where we are currently most of the people they install their laptop in Windows 11 or Windows 10, correct? Okay, Windows is Microsoft product, Active Directory is Microsoft product, .NET is Microsoft product, SQL Server is Microsoft product, Azure is Microsoft product, Office 365 is Microsoft product, MS Office is Microsoft product, right? Teams is Microsoft product, correct? N number of services, almost 700 plus tools Microsoft is, services Microsoft is offering to us. Out of that, we are learning SQL Server. Okay? Not okay. Everyone understood, sir? No? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So when you go to the history of SQL Server, Microsoft history, sir, basically, okay, when you especially go to the history of Microsoft, okay, so basically, uh, 20 to 25 years ago, not now, sir, okay, how the Microsoft came to the market, how? Basically, that time Microsoft is also a minor organization. Nothing. Microsoft is having nothing, sir. When 25 years ago, okay, 25 years ago, nothing. Microsoft is a nothing and nothing product. Okay, so that time IBM is the one of the leading. IBM is the one of the leading. So IBM, Microsoft work together to build the operating system OS2. To build the operating system OS2. We don't know about OS2, no one, because we know Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 11, Windows 10, right? Windows XP also no one maximums are used, maximum people. So 20 to 25 years ago, Microsoft and IBM worked together to build the operating system OS2 with 16-bit. With the 16, now no more 32-bit also. Now completely we are 64-bit. When you open MS Info 32, we are completely 64-bit operating system. Okay, that time there is no 64, sir. They started with the operating system called 16-bit operating system and the OS called OS2 and the OS called OS2. Once they designed this operating system, okay, once they designed this operating system and both individually started selling the product. So IBM started selling the OS2 product and even Microsoft is also selling the OS2 product. Now IBM came up with one strategy, a business strategy. What business strategy means? IBM 20 years ago, IBM contains a database called DB2. Okay, contains the database called DB2. DB2 is the IBM product, sir. Okay, DB2 is the IBM product, IBM database. Okay, so what IBM came into the business strategy? Whoever purchase OS2 with me, I am going to give you a database for free license for 1 year or 2 years, something, one strategy. Now everyone started go and purchase with IBM, not with Microsoft. Because that time there is no SQL Server, nothing with Microsoft. Nothing with Microsoft, nothing. Then Microsoft thought that, okay, how the database is placing a crucial role, a critical role, that 20 years ago, 20 to 25 years ago, Microsoft think that, okay, how the database is playing a crucial role. Then what Microsoft done? Microsoft and, okay, Sybase and Astron Tata, these three organizations work together to design a database called SQL Server 1.0. SQL Server 1.0 with 16-bit operating system. With 16-bit operating system. With 16-bit operating system, they started designing, sir. So who's at Microsoft and Sybase and Astron Tata work together to build a database called SQL Server. And that time, Sybase is already having a database called Sybase database. Already, Sybase contains its own database. Sybase already contains the Sybase database. Okay, Sybase database. But Microsoft started its own database called SQL Server 1.0 with the 16-bit operating system. With the 16-bit operating system, and he started enhancing, sir, every year to year. In the 1989 he started with 1.1.0. Okay, 1990 he started with 1.1. 1992 he started with 4.2a. 1993 he started with the 4.b. Okay, he started with 6.0, 7.5, 7.0, okay, 8.0, and now 5. Sorry. Okay, now finally over the year 2000, on the year 2000, Microsoft came up with one service called SQL Server 2000, a version called SQL Server 2000. Maybe you may also get to chance to work with SQL Server 2000. Sir, no more 2000. Again, no more 2000, sir. Okay, Microsoft completely stopped the support for 2000, but still you may also get a chance. A 0.001%, you may also get a chance to work with SQL Server 2000, not 2000 SQL Server 7.0, 6.5. You never get at this. Okay, 0.001% you may get a chance to work with 2000. You may get a chance till we are under 2023, sir. You may get a chance because still some applications are running in SQL Server 2000 because their application is compatible. Okay, you are asking question? No, sir, getting everyone. So Microsoft enhancing lot, and finally on SQL Server 2005, he redesigned entire the code in the backend. Earlier, before 2005, from 2005, sir, SQL Server. Before 2005, from 2005. Before 2005, your code is lots of dependency Sybase, because before Microsoft started, there is a Sybase database, and Sybase and Microsoft and Aston Data, they designed the SQL Server, right? So your SQL Server contains the Sybase related code. Now Microsoft completely redesigned its code on SQL Server 2005. It's completely Microsoft product from SQL Server 2005. So there is no more Sybase, there is no more Aston Data, there is no relationship to them and us. Now completely it's a Microsoft product on the year 2006 with the version SQL Server 2005. This is the history where Microsoft started, uh, uh, where currently Microsoft is standing.
Do we have applications still using the older version due to licensing and everything?
Sorry, yes, not licensing. Licensing are already expired, sir. So if you search, okay, here, okay, SQL Server 2000, okay, if you search for SQL Server 2000, okay, no more, sir. You're not able to see. Firstly, let's go for 2005, sir. At least you are able to see, right? So whenever you're searching here, it will provide you what till what is the main stream support. See, whenever you purchase a bike or car, they will give you first 1 year service free, right? And later on, if you want, you need to purchase some external support, external service support, right? Like same what Microsoft is telling. So it started at SQL Server 2000. Oh, sorry, started at 2006, and 5 years maximum is providing. Mainstream 5 years, sir. Microsoft will support for 5 years, and even you can extended support is still again 5 more years. Total 10 years. Microsoft is supporting one product. One. After that, no more. So what is no more means? For example, if your application using 2005 and you got stuck somewhere, if you go to the Microsoft won't help. No, Microsoft will tell just upgrade the license. So if you create a case to the Microsoft won't help for SQL Server 2005, even for 2012 also expired, sir. No more support for 2012 also. Last year only it expired. extended support also. Okay, so when you go for 2005 or 2014, so it will expire in maybe next 3 years, 4 years. Till 4 years, yes, Microsoft will support. And if you can search for, so for example, okay, SQL Server, okay. So Gartner Magic Quadrant is the one who will get the research globally, and you will get the market who is the top, who is the leading. Okay, in the 2023 we'll see, or 2022 we'll see. Let's go for this one. Okay, Microsoft is the leading provider. Now, where is DB2, sir? Of course, nowhere. He's the one guy who will survey throughout the global, and he will give one market where each service are stay backing. Microsoft is the topmost product now in entire database management system, followed with Oracle. Earlier, 3 years ago, 3 to 4 years ago, Oracle is the leading provider. Oracle is the leading provider. Microsoft beat that one. Now, almost 3 years, Microsoft is the leading provider because license cost.
Fourth one is IBM.
Yes. Yeah, IBM. Yeah. Okay, DB2. MongoDB. Okay, there are lots are again. MariaDB. Okay. You will get lots of database management system. Almost 100 plus database management systems are available throughout the global. We know only 10 to 15 database management system which are most popular. So that is the history where Microsoft started, where Microsoft is standing now, followed with overall this 20 years journey. Even for cloud also. Even cloud, when you go to the, okay, sorry, when you just replace with the cloud, just replace with cloud. When you especially go to the cloud, okay, nearby Microsoft, because AWS is our grandpa for cloud. He's our grandpa, sir, basically. Microsoft started cloud based on the AWS only. Now almost nearby. If you earlier see, there is a too much gap between AWS and Microsoft years ago. Okay, this is 2022. What is this? 2023. The gap is reducing a lot, and finally, maybe next 5 to 6 years or 10 years, maybe Microsoft and AWS will equally throughout the global. Throughout the global, AWS, Microsoft, Google Cloud, Alibaba Cloud are the top leading cloud providers throughout the global. When you go for databases, Oracle, SQL, okay, PostgreSQL, MySQL uh, are the leading. SAP HANA are the leading database management systems like Java. Each technology there are too many, sir. When you go for survey purpose. Okay, not okay, everyone clear? So what finally we need to understand means enhance. Nothing. Stay back there. Don't stay back there. Enhance. There are lots of, if you wanted to learn, there are a lot within the SQL itself. You need to go here and there, here and there. Lot many products are Microsoft is offering within related to the SQL. With related to the SQL, there are lot many services Microsoft is offering. This is what intro about history about complete SQL Server, where we started, where we are standing now. Even there is one history, sir. Let me know once everyone able to hear. Are able to hear?
Yes, Subbu.
Okay.
No, Subbu, we can't.
Oh, you're not able to hear? Okay, let me change the device to speaker. Now, sir?
Yeah, now okay.
22 years ago, we began a joint venture between Microsoft, Sybase, and Ashton Tate. It was a launch that would forever change the landscape of management software. As Windows became increasingly successful, it would guide the path and developments of SQL Server. In 1993, SQL Server 4.21 was unveiled, and for the first time, designed with Windows graphical interface, changing the way administrators interacted with the software. Rich with revolutionary features, SQL Server 6.0 earned rave reviews from both end users and critics alike. With hardly a pause, we released SQL Server 6.5 with new internet and data warehousing features, innovations that raised the stakes in the DBMS space. The release of SQL Server 7.0 saw software that boasted flexible scalability and a revamped architecture. Breaking away from the established number system, we released SQL Server 2000. Having been completely rewritten for a modern database platform, it provided the foundation for the future. This was followed 5 years later by SQL Server 2005, which was critically acclaimed for delivering mission-critical features and easy-to-use manageability. Chock full of performance-enhancing features, we released SQL Server 2008. The SQL Server 2008 R2 version of the software, released 2 years later, pushed that innovation even further. Designed specifically for cloud storage, SQL Azure was debuted, which laid the foundation for any future version of the SQL Server family. And now, after over 2 decades of innovation, we are ready to unveil the new cloud-ready information platform. Go further, forward, faster with Microsoft SQL Server 2012. See what's next with SQL Server 2012 at SQLServerLaunch.com.
Yeah. Okay, that is the complete history of entire SQL Server where we are. That is still only 2012. Now we are standing at SQL Server 2022. Okay, that's what the main thing today I wanted to discuss. Okay, tomorrow we'll see the licensing part. Very important, the licensing part. Okay, and then on Monday onwards we'll go for actual session, sir. Is it fine, everyone?
Yeah.
Hope the sessions are helping. No, we are not discussing anything technical. I do. That's what I told. I don't want start in the day itself to go into the technical part. Okay, but next week is very crucial, very critical for everyone. The people who are starting their journey. Whole the week is too much critical, too much technical. Okay, so now we are just building a little bit the basement. So what we are learning. Yeah. Thank you. If no questions, see you tomorrow.
Yeah. Thank you, Subbu.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. Yeah.